Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to post a voice note as a WhatsApp status. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So this is a new update on WhatsApp where you can now post voice notes as your WhatsApp status. So before you begin, you want to first go ahead and open up App Store, search for WhatsApp, and make sure that's updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now to post a status, you want to tap on Status at the bottom left. Next, you want to tap on this pencil icon here to post a status. Once you do this, you'll get this screen here where you'll be able to type a status, or you can use a microphone to record a status. So to post a voice note, go ahead and long press on the microphone icon, and now go ahead and record your status. This is my first WhatsApp voice status. Now once you've recorded that, you can press play to listen back to what you have said. If you don't like it, tap on delete, and that will delete your voice status. You can tap on this paint tray here at the top right to change the color of the background of your voice status screen. Now to post your voice status, go ahead and tap on this blue arrow here, and that will post your voice status on WhatsApp. And there you go, that is how to post a voice note as a WhatsApp status. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.